5 signs your home is blocking your healing after divorce here in the Omaha metro area. You've cleaned, you've rearranged, you even prayed for peace in your home, but yet it still feels off. You're doing your best to heal after divorce, but something inside your space just won't let you exhale. If peace is still a far reach, your home might be part of the problem. Let's walk through 5 signs that your space is blocking your healing and what you can do about it. Sign number 1, it feels emotionally heavy. You walk through the house and it feels like walking through old memories, not the good, sweet ones, no, but the ones that cause you to go backwards. Every corner holds tension. The dining room still feels like a place of arguments. The bedroom feels like silence, and the living room pretending like everything is just fine. When a home holds too much emotional weight, healing slows down. Not because you're weak, but because the space itself still echoes. Beautiful blessing, peace cannot thrive where pain constantly is replaying over and over and over again. Sign number 2, the house reflects who you were, the way the furniture is arranged. Even the closet still all belongs to who you used to be. If your home doesn't evolve with you, it can keep you mentally locked in the past. Your surroundings have the power to affirm your new chapter or freeze you in the past. Sign number 3, your finances feel unpredictable. Let's talk money for a second. If your monthly housing cost causes you stress, you're not healing. You're hustling to survive. A home that stretches your budget too thin quickly can steal your peace. Predictable finances are part of emotional stability. Yes, that doesn't always mean move, but it might mean reassess. Healing requires margin, not just in your calendar, but in your wallet. Sign number 4, you avoid being home. Ever find yourself staying late at work, taking the long way home, or making up errands just to avoid walking through your own door? That's not laziness or distraction. That's your body telling you that this space no longer feels like a refuge. When home feels like a space you have to recover from versus recover in, that's a red flag. Beautiful blessing, avoidance is one of the first clues that something deeper needs to shift. Sign number 5, chaos has taken over the calm. Yeesh. Clutter, unfinished projects, laundry piles, empty walls. When your surroundings are out of order, your nervous system stays on high alert. It's hard to feel peace in a place that is always demanding your attention. If you feel overwhelmed every time you walk through the door, that's not just messy. That's a blocked emotional pathway. Peace loves simplicity. Peace loves order. And it starts with choosing one area to restore, not to please anybody, but to support your healing. Who I am and how I help, I'm Linnetta.Anderson, local real estate agent here in the Omaha area with Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Ambassador Real Estate. I help women rebuild after divorce. Not just helping them find a home, but helping them to find stability, which starts on the inside. I truly believe you're not starting from scratch. You're starting from strength. And I'm here to walk that journey with you without pressure, just calm and clear. Beautiful blessing, you no longer have to stay in a space that hinders you from the woman you are becoming. So, what does healing at your home actually look like? Click on the next video, What Healing Feels Like After Divorce. You'll learn small but powerful ways that women are gaining power, strength, and stability, starting with the space they live in.